Okay, and this is the video about the bad day. Okay, so in the previous video, I did the tour on the mat, showing you what's the body language and what's the mindset of each color on a good day. But what if we wake up on a bad day? We all do that, right? So let me start with the blue as well. So if I'm talking to a blue energy person, I tell them, so okay, what are you going to do today, or what can we do? And this person was like, I don't know. What do you need? What do you mean you don't know? How are you feeling? Please leave me alone. Okay, can I do something in the meanwhile? Yes, but you have to follow the process. Okay, so what is the process? The process is too long. Okay, so what happens to the blue energy people is that they become more silent and they want to overanalyze everything, and they actually slow down the work of others because they want everybody else to follow the process, even if the process does not apply anymore in this situation. Okay, so analysis paralysis in general. The green energy. The green energy is like, okay, today I'm not gonna talk to you. Why are you gonna not talk to me? It's because yesterday you said something that actually hurt me. Okay, but I didn't mean it. Yeah, but okay, you know what? Let's not discuss it. But let's do something. Said no. I'm really offended by it, and I think this whole thing is not working out for me. So, like the blue energy, they withdraw. They withdraw from the interaction of others, because remember, blue and green, they're on the internal side. Okay. Now, yellow energy. Yellow energy, the energy is still high, but the focus is not on creativity. The focus is really unfocused. It's really to be loud. So I wake up on a bad day and I want everybody to wake up as well. Okay, you have to do this, you have to do that. And they overwhelm others with noise. They just make up a lot of noise, right? And do never tell a secret to a yellow energy person on a bad day, because everybody else will know about it. Now, the red energy. The red energy on a bad day. It's like, guys, this confinement thing has really slowed us down so much. Now we need to achieve 150%. And I need you to achieve it by this week. If you don't achieve it, I'm sorry, I have to let you go. This is the situation. It's not on me, it's on you, it's on the universe, but you have to go. It's either you're gonna do it my way or the highway. So what happens to the red energy on a bad day? They go from being assertive to being aggressive. They overwhelm others with demands. Okay? And here are the color energies on a bad day. So I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was a good acting altogether. And probably again, that will be my last video about color energies, and any other topic that I can be of added value, I'm gonna share with you. And please do feel free to comment or to have any question or any suggestion about something that we can talk about. See you.